4W LED blade exit light. Model number EX80 LED. Directing safety. Directing people to safety in a crisis. 4W LED blade exit light will continue to be lit because they are a standalone system and are not affected by a power loss. Unique features. Compliance to Australian Standard AS 2293.3. Suits 24M viewing distances. Ceiling mountable. Energy saving. Environmentally friendly. Quick and easy installation. Average lifetime 50,000 hours. Contact us. Explore our collection to find the exit light that best match your needs. Visit www.firefactory.com.au. Call +61 297 56 0087. Email sales@firefactory.net.au.